Well, howdy everyone. I have a new house plant that I want to tell you about. This is a Calathea lancifolia. It's also known as the rattlesnake plant, and I think you can see why by looking at the leaves. They kind of have a rattlesnake pattern to them. It's a beautiful plant. The undersides of the leaves are red, and then the top it's got this beautiful variegated pattern to it. So it's a beautiful house plant, and it's not the easiest plant to take care of, but it's not terribly difficult either. The first thing is this plant grows on the forest floor, so it's not used to direct sunlight. It needs, bright indirect light. You can put it in an east window where it'll get some morning sun, and that's what I'm going to do. But you don't want to keep it in direct sunlight. It'll burn the leaves. So there's that. The other thing that makes this a little bit more difficult is that it is sensitive to chlorine in the water. So the best way to water it is with rainwater or filtered tap water. Letting the water stand overnight won't really work because we don't use chlorine anymore in our water. We use chloramine, and that will not evaporate overnight. So, get your watering down. And the only other thing really is this plant likes a lot of humidity. So if you can, use a humidifier. If your indoor air is dry, you can group it with other plants. You can set it on a pebble tray, but it appreciates humidity. You can mist it, but don't go overboard because wet leaves can sometimes result in fungal diseases. The other thing is that it likes to be in moist soil but not waterlogged. So use a good growing medium. I really recommend people use coco coir and perlite as a growing medium. Anywhere from 60% cocoa around there, and 30% perlite, and you can go 50-50 on it if you want. It might need a little bit more watering more often, but that's a great media. You can mix in some compost or some worm castings for it, and really, it's a beautiful plant. It's worth a little bit of extra effort just to take care of it. I really think you'll be happy with this plant if you get it. Like I said, it is extremely pretty, and it's worth the effort to take care of it. So till I see you again, take good care of yourselves. Happy gardening. Don't forget, keep it green. All right, bye bye. See y'all later.